On this mind-blowingly quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card in the Waymo app. First things first, you're going to pull up the Waymo app, of course, and in the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to click Account, as you can see from this big arrow that I drew. Then you're going to go down to Payment right in the middle. Then once you get here, you can see payment methods. The main two right now are Apple Pay and credit card. So I'm going to click Add a Payment Method, and once I do, boom. This is going to pop up and I can add a credit card or even a debit card. It is that simple. One last thing I do want to say on this video is when it comes to Waymo, keep in mind right now, at least at the exact time of this video, those are the only two ways you can really pay for the Waymo: Apple Pay and a credit card / debit card. When it comes to Uber and Lyft, you can pay with Venmo if you want to. You can pay with PayPal if you want to. When it comes to paying for a Waymo ride, however, your only two payment options are Apple Pay and a credit card or debit card.